Alright, well, here we are.
In our OKA.
And how do I turn that around? We bought an OKA. At the moment, she's a 14-seater bus. Daniel in the front there. So we'll soon start pulling seats out and getting it ready for roadworthy and turning it into an off-road camper vehicle. Let's go down here, get our steps down. Yeah, she's going to be a mission. Not much room to move here at the moment. Made in Australia, OKA. It's only got a Perkins 4-cylinder 4-litre engine in it, so she's not real quick, but a bit of a flat tyre there. Used to be the Fraser Range station tour vehicle. Yeah, got a bit of work to do, so I'm looking forward to it. Where's she gone? We'll jump up in the I'm trying to film a video, love. We'll jump up in the driver's seat. Let's find my key first. She starts up really easy. Not bad, huh? Like that start up. Pretty sick. All right, let the fun begin. Hey, g'day folks. Steve here with OKA 271. So we've been doing a little bit of work on it. Today we're going to try and remove the bus body. Let me get used to this bloody selfie stick. And yeah, pulled all the seats and everything out. I'll take you over here and give you a bit of a look. Got our crane set up there. I think my son chases inside at the moment. You can see where we've lifted the back just a bit, and you can see where the cab's starting to separate over there. G'day, Chaser. Hard at it. So yeah, we've removed all the seats, and I've got to say, whoever's bloody idea it was to use nutserts on the seat bolts, yeah, mate, I think every second one of them spun the nutsert and they were a real pain in the arse to get out. But anyway, got the job done. So what I'm going to do today is hopefully get this cab off without tipping this bloody crane over. We haven't got the most level ground here to work on, but we're doing what we can. And I'll probably have to let the tyres down to get enough height, because that's about as high as we can go at the moment, and she's just starting to come up off the suspension. Lifted at about 5 or 10 mil. And yeah, all right, so I'll put it on time lapse and see how we go. Okay, well that went reasonably well according to plan. We've been able to remove the bus body from the OKA, and yeah, we were a bit sort of worried about the crane because we had to lift it up higher than it's intended. We've actually got it sitting on the end of the post here instead of one of the holes. But anyway, it is what it is. So yeah, the bus body's off. The chassis, just a cursory look, looks in reasonable condition, needs a good tidy up. Yeah, and we just put the bus body onto some dollies, wheeled it into the carport for now, and I'll eventually move it into that shed down the back once I clear it out a bit. If you have a look at these pins at the front of the bus body, thanks to Dane, one of his videos, he noted that these pins are there. So what I did was lifted the body from the back slightly and then moved it backwards to clear those pins before we did the full lift. And it all come up reasonably well. Eventually we'll get around to moving this cab, removing this cab. Yeah, so let's let the restoration of OKA 251 continue. All right, catch us next time.